Message number 1889.
Yeah, CJ here. I'm out being Superman right now, or helping the elderly across the road.
Hi, it's Dezza! And Tim.
Call CJ and you and 3 mates could join the Hurricanes tour to Sydney. You'll fly with them, bus with them, stay at the same hotels as them, do everything with them except go on the field. Grab CJ's business card from participating bars, bottle stores and supermarkets.
Tui, taking the lads on tour since 1889.
Hey, Cory Jane here, aka CJ. Thanks to everyone that's purchased Tui over the last couple of months and called on the Call CJ competition. The response has been great, and on Monday, we'll draw out the winner to bring us 3 lucky mates to Sydney to watch us play the Waratahs. Good luck to you all.
Tui, shouting for the boys since 1889.
G'day Kevin, it's Cory Jane from the Hurricanes here. Yeah, not too bad. I just thought I'd give you a call and say that you're one of 10 finalists for the Call CJ competition to go to Sydney. Brilliant, congratulations. Awesome mate, see you later.
I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those would be the best memories.
I like your thinking, mate. And what about drinking with the left hand only, mate? You think you're going to struggle this weekend?
Yeah, I think I might actually. I think I've struggled already, to be honest. It's only my first beer.
Peter's already had his first beer and he drank it with his right hand. So he gets one morning and that is it. Finally here, nearly time for a beer, fellas.
Yeah, bloody
Cheers. Is this a good couple of days? Yes. Enjoy much.
I like it. I like it.
I like it.
And I like it.
I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those would be the best memories. I just wanna let it go.
I'll tune around and go, where possible, tune around men's in his undies.
Trip is absolutely fantastic and yeah, sort of unbelievable, really.
Awesome, mate. Awesome, absolutely awesome. I will do it again tomorrow.
Well, as I say, it's only 80 minutes. We've had a great weekend. Still had a good time.
You're only halfway through it.
Yeah, exactly. Never knock us.